Are you ready to draw a fun floral with me? Welcome everyone. My name is Lavinia. I know once I show you this fun Zentangle, you're going to grab pen, you're going to grab paper and draw along with me. I have a Micron actually this is just a regular Micron Pigma 05, so it's a thin point here. But if you have a PN pen or ballpoint pen, pencil, anything is fine. I have my little floral sketchbook, which I'm going to show you what the design looks like, what the Zentangle is. This is my sketch pad where, if you see my past tutorials, I have some swatches in here that I've done. I'm using this paper to show you the tutorial only because I want to use my color pencils, and because there's a little bit more texture on here than on this smooth paper, I think it will show up better. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this Zentangle, let me go ahead and actually show you here in the sketchbook. It is called Panziola, and it's by CZT Angie Gittles. Now Panziola, you can tell, cute little pansy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to draw this. And I'm sure once you see this, you're probably going to use it in your journals and cards, maybe just doodling around. But let's see. We're going to go ahead and get started with just drawing a circle. So this is going to be the center of the flower. Now we're going to draw the bottom petal. So we're going to come right around here, draw that petal, and come on up. Now we're going to draw the side petals, the smaller side petals. So we're not coming from the center. Maybe this might be 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. And come on around. And then do the same thing on the other side. Now, of course, this is botanical, inspired, organic, so it doesn't have to be symmetrical, doesn't have to be perfect. Again, there are no mistakes in Zentangle. Now for the first of the larger petals, we'll come probably about the middle or so. And come on around. And then maybe this one is tucked behind. And comes around that way. We could draw a smaller one. And actually, we're going to go ahead and put some flicks here. So small little flick, larger, larger. Small little flick in the middle, larger, larger. Small little flick, larger, larger. Okay. So we've got our center of the flower. Let me see if I can come a little bit closer. And we're going to draw that bottom petal. And the side petals. I go just a little bit behind. Now the larger petals. And then that one's tucked behind. Maybe it comes around that way. And you can continue this on and on. I am going to go ahead and add some leaves. And you can draw whatever type of leaf you like. I'm just going to draw a squiggly line like that. And then I'm going to draw some veins. If you wanted to draw them symmetrical, you most certainly can. Again, it's your drawing, whatever makes you happy. Let's go ahead and put those little flicks. Okay, maybe there's another petal. Right there. And perhaps there's another one. Maybe that comes down this way. And perhaps another one. All right, I'm just going to get now to the colored pencils. So let's see. So this is the purple. So I'm going to start with that one. And color in the larger leaves, or petals, I should say. And I like this texture better with this particular set of color pencils rather than on this. This is just, might be copy paper, it's just way too smooth. But I like the look of the texture of the paper. And the pencil color is actually deeper, more intense than on the smoother paper. I'm going to come back now with this blue and add just a little bit of blue just here and there. And I'm going to add yellow to these side petals. And this light orange to this bottom, and then I have this deeper dark tangerine. Looks like there's a little bit of that petal right there. And now for the green of the leaves. And then I have a little bit of light green here. And I'm going to come in with, let's see, that's that purple. Just a little bit around the bottom petal, just to give it a little bit of shadow. And just intensify where that might be a little bit darker. But that is it. This is, actually, let me go ahead and write it on here as well. Panziola by Angie, Gittles, and she is a CZT. And I know one of the other recent videos that I did, one of her Zentangles, was another one of her Zentangles. I think I'm going to add here in the center just a little bit as well. It's more of that blue. That is it. So hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.